So I'm gonna admit, this video is gonna seem kind of silly, but I feel like if I screwed this up, other people have too. And this is just your standard plastic litter pail. This Tidy Cats in particular. But when I switched to this litter, I found it really frustrating to pour, and part of it's just bad habits and kind of going with the flow and not thinking about what I'm doing. So when you carry your litter, you grab by the handle, you take it where you're going, and then you go to the litter box. Well, you flip the litter bucket's lid open, and you're trying to pour it, and you're kind of fighting with this and all that. Well, the trick to pouring these to make your life easy is you start with the handle down, and you want the handle on the side that opens of the litter pail. You'll open the litter pail, grab your handle, and you can kind of hold the handle up towards the top of the litter pail, and it'll kind of nestle into that lip a little, and then you can pour your litter. And ever since I figured that out, it doesn't piss me off as much to pour the litter now. So yeah, really silly, but if I screwed it up, I figure maybe some other people are probably struggling with the same issues. So hopefully that was helpful, and thanks for watching.